Well, the Clio has always played a role as the reference in the B segment. And so I compare to it as the prettiest girl in the class. It's the car that everyone loves, the car that everyone wants to play with, the car that everyone would like to drive. And it's a perfect car if it's your first car, if you fall in love with the Renault and Renault brand. It has, as we say, superpowers. So it's super emotional, very sporty stance, very aggressive. You see the hood sloping down, the grille relatively low, very technical details on the headlights and so. But at the same time, it is also a car that is extremely sexy and sensual. You see it in the body side and the shapes. We have a beautiful sculpture, like the car is liquid, you know? The car looks like it's been dipped in chocolate, you know? And we can see also an increase in quality because you see that there is no lécheur anymore, no chrome strips, no chrome, and this makes the car really lift up. So in many ways, this is the car for us that needs to do it all. It's the start of a new era, and we push the car to the limit.